2009 Latin America Outstanding Section Award. The award recognizes an outstanding success of a section fulfilling its goals under IEEE policy by organizing technical, professional, and geographic activities for the benefit of its members and by maintaining, enhancing, and supporting the student branch, chapters, and affinity groups within its geographic boundaries. And this year's award goes to the IEEE Puerto Rico and Caribbean section. And I know Christian is around, so we can just call him up and congratulate him. And with that, Alberto, I end my presentation and give it back to you.
Let me go say hello to them. I'll see you guys in a minute.
Okay.
Antonio, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So I would like to invite the attendees. Maybe if you can pull down the presentation, we can promote them so they can be in stage and maybe have a picture of all of them. So I know Giri is here. Giri, can you turn on your camera? No? Maybe Ernesto. Is Ernesto here? Yes, he's here. So Ernesto, I'm going to promote you so you can join the stage. The other awardee was Joel.
I don't believe he's joined here. He said he'll follow through YouTube.
No, he's here. I just found him.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Joel is in the main hall. Maybe if somebody can ask him to come here for the award.
And Judy is here. I can see Judy.
Yes, but she hasn't turned on her camera.
She's a shy person.
Yes. Who was
Yuri smiling right underneath Judy.
Yes, I found Yuri. Yuri, so now you can you should be able to join the stage. If you press join the stage, you should be able to join the stage, please. And Christian Figueroa, no?
Yes, and also Omar from Rio de Janeiro section.
Okay, Omar, Christian, you should be able to join the stage now. And who else was? Omar Dien?
Yes.
Okay, Omar. Omar, you should be able also to join the stage. All of you should be able to join the stage if you are in the watch theater. You could press a button down your screen which says go to stage. No? Can you see? Also, GD is asking to turn on your camera. I don't have permissions to that. I guess, GD, probably you have to go back, leave the stage and come back. Ernesto, can you join the stage, please? Ernesto, Christian, Omar. Oh, there we go. Hi. Ernesto. We are missing who else?
Joel, you said you saw him, his name.
Yes, Joel was in the main hall. He's still in the main hall, so I don't know if somebody can write to him and ask him to come over here. And who else was it? Judy. Judy is here. So Judy, you should be able to join the stage. There should be a button underneath you which says join stage. Yuri? No, looks like
Alberto, I just received a message from Omar. It seems that there is a limitation on the number of people on the stage.
okay. Maybe it's just only 3 people. That could be a problem. Yes.
What I do, I will leave the stage, and then you can put one more, and then
Yeah, I will leave as
you
well.
go to
So I think we cannot put all the awardees here. Unfortunately, it seems that there is a limit. So well, oh, there we go. Omar, welcome and congratulations. So thank you very much to all of you, and please join in and let's go to the social, to the bar, and let's join in everybody and celebrate the awardees. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alberto. Thank you, everyone. Bye, Omar.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Congratulations.
Congratulations to you too.
Thank you.